let's talk about the devices that we're going to build. We're going to build 3 of them. They're based on the Arduino Nano, and they're going to communicate to our gateway via Bluetooth, BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. The gateway will be responsible for translating telemetry messages coming off the devices and sending that up to Azure IoT Central. And the other way, when there's commands and other kinds of things that we want to send out to the devices, it'll act as a proxy in that relationship. So that's kind of the scenario that we're setting up with our gateway. So let's take a look at the actual device and the componentry that we're going to have on it and talk through the various bits. From a feature perspective, we're going to have temperature and humidity, and we'll have a little sensor there for being able to read that. We're going to have a battery, so we're rechargeable, thus we're portable, and we'll put it into an aluminum case and make it robust so it'll be moved around and we don't have to worry about wires falling out and things like that. So let's take a look at the componentry. So here is our Arduino Nano, and it's got a little Bluetooth module on it, a USB plug-in for being able to program it very simply. We're going to take that and put that into this carrier here, which is then going to break our pinouts and give us a screw terminals for setting everything up so that it holds together nicely. We have a battery set up for it, and we'll have a rechargeable module for being able to hook that up correctly. And then a DHT11 here, which is the temperature and humidity sensor that we're going to be using, right? And then finally, we'll have a little LED that we're going to have multicolor, and we'll use that for indicating the amount of charge left on our battery. So that's kind of the setup. And of course, we'll have an aluminum case. We're going to put it on the CNC machine, cut some holes in it, powder coat it, make it look nice. That's an overview of the actual device that we're going to build. And we'll dig into the gateway stuff in our next session.